So if you're looking for some really beautiful ornamental rocks, we've got some really great ones to choose from. These three are a marble is what they are, and you kind of see the marbling color, but they're a lot smoother stone. But they come in kind of a black charcoal color, white, and then they have this this one here is it's a drier marble look here. But these are very beautiful soft stones. Really gives you a much richer look in your landscape. They're just fantastic. And then you've got these are called Mexican beach pebbles. You've got anywhere from the brown. They've also got a rainbow that's in the back. They've got this one here is what they call maroon. It does have a hint of red to it. And then they have the charcoal. Now all of these stones, when they get wet, it really brings out the color. So we love doing them around fountains, and you really get to see the colors pop, really come to life when all of this stuff gets wet. It's just really, really cool. So if you're looking for something to upgrade, something a little bit nicer than like the river rock or even the black star gravel, these are great options to consider.